What's up with it? It's your boy McFly, man, the hardest working man in shoetainment today. Coming at you again with another real review. And you guessed it, it's still Christmas Day, boy. We out here spitting them out. If this is your first time over here in the land of McFly, man, I welcome you. I appreciate you stopping by. I hope you enjoy my content, man. If you like what I'm doing over here, hit that subscribe button, man. Join the become a frequent flyer, man. That's what we do. Join the winning team. We out here grinding, man. As you can see, we got another box. Oh, also, we got a goal set, trying to hit 300 subs by January 1. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, man. Get it done, and let's just get me to the top of this mountain, man. I deserve it. I am the hardest working man in shoetainment. And after you watch this chain of videos, you'll see why. Yeah. But we got some some little feet heat right here. This men's size 7. I've been waiting to do this review for like a week and a half, man. But I couldn't do it because this box was actually a present from my girlfriend. So we couldn't open it until today. So it's Christmas Day, the box open, we getting it. It's not my shoe, so it's not in the box how it normally would be for my PPs. If you don't know what a PP is, that's a personal pair for my keepers. But she looked at it and she been dancing around all damn day and rubbing it in my face. So I figured I'd do a review on it, man, since we got it here. You already know by the box that this is a pair of Jordan 1s. But which Jordan 1s? A ton of Jordan 1s dropped this year. Everybody and their mama bought at least one. But they ain't get these, boy! And these are the black and red. Not for resales, no L's, whatever you want to call them. I took a L, so no L's my ass. General release, my ass. Anything else about this shoe, me not having it, my ass. So that's where we at with this. If you can't tell, I'm upset, okay? But this is the shoe here. And for those of you who are familiar, and for those of you who are not familiar, we're gonna get you zoomed in for this close-up Littlefoot action. All right, man, we got you locked and loaded for this close-up action. We got that zoom in on that label for all you real versus fakers. You can go ahead and check it out. It's a traditional Jordan 1 box. And you see your labeling, sizing, description, and all that good stuff. Just wanted to let you see it. Paper and all on the interior is the same. The quality control stamp is just a red number stamp. Nothing major there. This particular pair came from S&S, man. Shout out to S&S. But starting off, man, you have your traditional Jordan 1 with this black leather around your toe cap. You have this white leather here in your toe box. It is pretty plush. This is some really good leather on this. It's comparable to the Spider-Mans. If you haven't seen my review on those Spider-Mans, you can go and check that out. It's waiting on you, son. They say please crease. Left shoe says please. Right shoe says crease. Coming up, you have your all mesh tongue. Coming up here to your tongue tabs, you have me on the left shoe and wear on the right shoe. Wear me. There you go. Turning it to the outside of the shoe, you have a nice panel in here. Your Nike swoosh wraps around to the back. Oh wait, I forgot. You got your not for resale down here. Gotta make sure that's there. See the back portion here, you have no and photos on that bad boy. These do come with a spare set of red laces, which you have here. Feel like they could have did something better with the laces. Not for resale here on the side. Flipping it around here to your medial side, you see that sail bottom, sail side panel, Nike swoosh, all that good stuff going on. They've got some other stuff here on the inside of the shoe. So let me give you that back shot one more time. I need these, bruh. And in here, it says, sorry, this pair is not numbered. And on the other shoe, it says general release. which is a damn lie, because ain't nothing general released about this shoe. Because if it was a GR, I'd have it. God, I'm mad about this, man. Listen. Also on the insoles, on one it says no, and on the other it says L's. And that's pretty much it, man. This extremely good quality on this shoe. I really like it. I need a pair. I like the Maze pair a little bit better than these, but I would have took these, man. But sometimes, man, you gotta make sacrifices. You know what I'm saying? I needed the perfect gift, and I feel like this was it, man. My girl's a shoe head too, so she got more shoes than me. We're gonna get her geared up one day and let y'all see it. Back here is really plush and soft too, man. This leather is it's top notch, bro. Like, they spared no expense on this. This should be the bar for all Jordan 1s with your nice toe box leather out. Let me hold it up, see if I can get y'all a shot on that. Toe box, insane. Side shot, if you can see that. This is crazy, man. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I guess there's nothing left to really do but get you this on foot, man. Let's get to it. All right, man. We got you locked and loaded on these bad boy, not for resales on that thing, in that bread colorway. You see that no photos on the back and not for resale on the sides of each of the shoes. This is a dope pair of kicks, man. Like, hands down, the quality's crazy. I can't say enough about it. You see the toe box, everything that I discussed previously. Wear Me on there, they're being worn. Why couldn't this be a GR, man? Why couldn't it be a GR? Jeez Louise! Re-release these. I need the Maze joints. Since these in the house, I gotta find the Maze ones, man. One way or another. I'm lying. I'm taking that L. I'm taking that L all day. But as you can see, man, a dope on foot look of this shoe for all you people interested. And that's pretty much it, man. Look at that box. Whew. There you go. But until next time, it's your boy McFly, man. I'll holler at you.